Luxury, precision, and performance collide in the breathtaking new Brough Superior RMB 01, a motorcycle born from a stunning collaboration between legendary motorcycle brand Brough Superior and Swiss watchmaker Richard Mille. Presented during the Le Mans Classic, this track-only machine redefines exclusivity and craftsmanship, delivering an experience that's as mechanical as it is emotional. The RMB 01 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a moving sculpture of engineering art. Taking inspiration from early 20th century board track racers, the bike features a stripped-down look that exposes its core components. The elongated fuel tank, minimalist saddle, and open frame exude a design language that screams lightness and speed. Every detail is deliberate, from the aerodynamic carbon appendages to the front half-fairing, making this a modern beast with vintage soul. At its core is a 997cc water-cooled V-twin engine, chiseled from solid aluminum blocks rich in magnesium to keep weight at a minimum. Producing 130 horsepower and paired with a 6-speed gearbox, this power plant isn't just functional, it's structural, serving as a load-bearing element within the CNC machined aluminum and carbon exoskeleton chassis. And then there are the wheels, a direct homage to Richard Mille's watchmaking roots. Inspired by tourbillon gears, the intricate overlapping of hubs and disc rotors mimics a mechanical stacking system, giving the bike a look like no other. The front wheel is mounted on a Fior-type fork with double wishbones, enhancing stability during aggressive turns, while the rear is suspended via a monoshock-equipped swing arm offering 113 millimeters of travel. Only 150 units of the RMB 01 will be made, each offered in one of 3 stunning variants. Pearl of Speed, a pearl white and carbon beauty with red highlights. Celine, finished in matte anthracite with orange accents. Nocturnal Sapphire, glowing in deep blue with elegant gray and sapphire tones. Pricing hasn't been confirmed, but with the AMB 001 already crossing the $120,000 mark, expect the RMB 01 to sit firmly in the same ultra-luxury tier. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a collector's dream, a symbol of horological art meeting high-speed adrenaline.